Students, today we talk about the Kyrgyz Republic in geopolitics and foreign economic relations of Kyrgyz Republic, and talk about the geographical position of our country and also geopolitics in our Kyrgyz Republic. The course Geography of Kyrgyz Republic for our students is a study which studies peculiarities of nature and landscape, natural and water resource economic development of industry and agriculture, the prospects for development, resort and tourism of Kyrgyz Republic. The need of study geography of Kyrgyzstan is due to modern realistic international situation, globalization process and development strategy of Kyrgyz Republic itself. The study of this course is specific nature aimed to expanded study geography of native land and also consideration of medical problems and also this course is for students with peculiarities nature and landscape, natural water resource, economic development, industry, and perspective for development of our country. Development of the productive force of Kyrgyz Republic linked with quantity of resource and also quality of a natural resource, direct impact on the growth rate of the country economy, on the level of well-being population, and this resource. These problems are associated with the study influence of features, geographical relief, climate, health of the population, as well as development, sanitarium resort treatment, medical tourism in favorable zone for recovery, geographic location of the country, and also people, but also prevalence and nature certain disease. You know that today in the territory of Kyrgyz Republic there are tailing dumps and radioactive elements, cattle burial grounds containing especially dangerous infections. Knowledge of natural areas is necessary for students. This is associated to growth of medical plants, especially for future profession. And a great importance is not only availability sufficient volumes, but also availability for raw material, high quality, since in the case productive in reduce and decrease in labor cost production products is cost, and also in condition of fertile soils crops obtained with less labor costs and their poor quality. Thus, availability of certain types of natural resource, scale of their reserve, condition of occurrence, and also cost of production. The development and distribution productive force in economic approach to them, taking into account their rational use and application of the achievements in scientific technological progress, careful attitude, natural resource, and efficiency, environmental pollution. The study of economy and social geography of Kyrgyz Republic in the context, process, territorial, and distribution of productive forces, and problems of economic sectors, intersectoral, territorial, and also formation development of geographical economic of students. And Kyrgyz Republic in world geopolitics. Kyrgyzstan in recent years has been actively proving itself and various international values. The foreign policy has always been kind of word of country and ability to take the right position on the international chessboard, serious and very delicate matter. This determines main vector of foreign policy direction. In the past 2 years, past 2 years, success of international arena have led increased interest from the foreign countries and international organizations that Kyrgyzstan will continue to show positive image of the country and necessity of this international relationship. It's important to act with partners in Central Asia, in European countries and also other countries. The proximity of borders opened an additional opportunities for more successful cooperation in the economic sphere. In recent years, Kyrgyzstan has been actively declaring its economical potential, trying to bring branding and products orbit. In this regard, integration of Republic within the Eurasian Economic Union will remain priority of foreign policy. At the same time, the organ's external relations are important as well as their importance in the development and implementation of the particular line behavioral international arena. Relation to Kyrgyzstan analyzes extensive material required, reflecting the features modern international situation, various changes and taking place throughout the post-Soviet space. Also, it's necessary to take into the unstable state of modern international relations. In this regard, Kyrgyzstan has always taken this position between the clash interests of large countries. Kyrgyzstan has earned unconditional respect by the fact always position of space and also approach resolving the most complex issues. Kyrgyzstan is a state of Central Asian region and important geopolitics and geoeconomic importance as a connecting bridge between the west and east as well as north and south. The foreign policy of Republic is based on the Constitution and Declaration of State Independence, international law and goals principle of United Nations and international organizations. It must be admitted that current state civilization can successfully development without integration, without the development and also strength of economic, political, humanitarian ties between the states. An important tool for implementing foreign policy of Kyrgyzstan diplomacy. At the same time, objective necessity differentiated approach in choosing the most promising meet characteristic cultural civilization, ethno-historical, geopolitical, geoeconomic situation in the country and interests Kyrgyzstan with maximum efficiency. All the above also echoed main foreign policy strategy, which that foreign policy of Kyrgyz Republic should be completed subordinate and interests of the people and also development of political system. The foreign policy of Kyrgyz Republic should become redicable, consistent and economically available. It is important to subordinate its domestic needs of the country and also all citizens. Because Kyrgyzstan favors close relation with other members, Commonwealth, independent states, and also particularly Kazakhstan, Russia. And in May 1993, Russian government prompted Kyrgyzstan to introduce its own currency, Kyrgyz som. And also Turkey has sought to capitalize and cultural, ethnic, educational relationship between our country. The Kyrgyz Republic also has experienced a dramatic increase in trade with People Republic of China and its southern neighbor. Kyrgyzstan has been active regional cooperation and military assistance with Uzbek and also Kazakh troops. Uzbekistan informed that Kyrgyzstan also do some economic relationship between our countries. Thank you for your attention. our lesson is over. Your homework will be make a presentation, your own presentation, and we will discuss it in our lesson. And it's your homework. Have a nice day. Thank you very much for your attention.